We love trading lockups, IPO lockups. Every single IPO after 6 months releases a whole bunch of shares that flood the market and puts a lot of pressure on recent IPOs. CAVA, we saw some dark pool trade activity, $20 million worth. CAVA's up 140% since its IPO. So think about it. If a stock's up 140% and you're locked up and you can't sell your shares, in 6 months, as soon as you're able to sell those shares, you're probably going to sell those shares, right? The cool thing about CAVA, it also has earnings. It's never released earnings. Here's that dark pool activity. Here's what the vol viz looked like. Extremely liquid options, buying the 45 strike puts for $1.90. Notice there are 40 days to go until expiration. 45 strike puts for $1.90. Now you can see 12 days later, CAVA 45 strike puts are now trading mid-market $4.40, and they traded as high as $5.30. And here's what CAVA looks like. So remember, everyone so excited to sell their shares, but they're locked up. They have to wait. So there you have it, guys. The lockup trade. Wow, what an incredible trade in CAVA, right? A whopping 500% return for some of our members. If you want to be part of the success, here's your golden opportunity. For a limited time, when you grab our Profit on Perimeter tool for TradingView at just $7, you'll also get a 2-week free membership with us. Dive into the world of sophisticated trading and see the difference for yourself. Click the link below to get started. Remember, the best investment you can make is in yourself. Let's trade smart and win big together.